tell me what's going on over here with the Tule. Harvesting it to make a boat. Okay, a boat, yes. Is this the Tule? And you make a boat out of this? No way.
It dries.
Yeah, you gotta let it dry, and then what else? You bundle it together? Yeah, you can make a boat. Totally cool, huh? And there's the Tule fields where we harvested them from at Clear Lake. This is Clear Lake, right? Cool, huh? All right. Go on. I wish we could stick around to race them for the weekend. Okay, say bye.